Sales traffic content marketing. Looking for a smarter way to attract new leads and sales? Discover how to use the power of content marketing to build your authority, generate new leads and sales. Forget advertising that simply wastes money and time. Use your content to drive new business. What content marketing really is and why it is used by so many big businesses, even small businesses and individuals. Types of content marketing and how to use them. What sort of content should you create and how do you get it out there? This chapter will discuss everything you need to know. Curating versus creating content. What is the difference and how does it work? How to use content to generate leads for your business. At the end of the day, who wouldn't want more leads? More leads equals more sales. Content marketing in social media and how to use it. How to use content marketing on sites like Facebook and Twitter. A content marketing method that's attracting a lot of traffic to sites. Content is king, as they say. As cliché as it may sound, it's the way to go in this information age. People go online for information, to find solutions to their problems, whether that's through a blog post, a podcast or even a video. People are consuming more and more content and in many forms. So why not get on the bandwagon? But firstly, what is content marketing? Content marketing is a phrase often mentioned when discussing digital marketing. It's often used in so many different contexts, it can be tough to understand what it really means. Let's clear that up right now. Content marketing is the use of any type of media as a tool for garnering exposure and sales for your company or organization. This page you're reading now is a form of content. The most important thing to remember when you are using content marketing is to focus on providing value. You're not creating a commercial. While commercials are a form of content, they're one-sided. Their purpose is solely to sell. When you use content as a marketing tool, your purpose is to educate, inform and engage people with the goal of turning them into customers. It's not about direct sales to increase your bottom line, it's about using information to show customers and potential customers that your company can provide value they need to enhance their lives in some way. It's an indirect sales method that can turn customers into consistent clients,